Hey y'all, Terry Allen here. Just wanted to take a minute to tell you about this exciting new project I'm working on. It's called the Models NFT Club. Now what's an NFT? It's a non-fungible token. You know, it's kind of like beef bourguignon, right? The French have such a beautiful language. You know, you hear beef bourguignon, it sounds like something totally amazing. Then you find out it's just beef stew, you know? Well, non-fungible token. Non-fungible simply means it's not duplicatable. Token means it's recorded on the blockchain, so it's kind of like a cryptocurrency. An NFT is a way to sell your artwork. Now think about it. A lot of people have told me, well, I just don't understand NFTs. I mean, I can see it. I can even download it on my computer. You know, so why would I want to pay for that? Well, think of the Mona Lisa. Everybody's seen a picture of the Mona Lisa, right? I mean, you've seen the Mona Lisa. A lot of people, including myself, have actually seen it in person. I've taken pictures of it hanging on the wall. So here's the thing. You don't own the Mona Lisa. But guess what? If you did, imagine how much money you could make from owning that, just selling it. Well, that's the difference. An NFT proves ownership. Now, with the Models NFT Club, there's a couple of things. First of all, once you purchase one of our NFTs, that is your exclusive membership into the club. We have a private Discord server where we all can get together and chat, and you know, plus you're also going to get a lot of special perks that special content that other people don't get. We're also going to have some nice Zoom meetings and Zoom parties, you know, for all the collectors and investors and models and photographers. So that's one of the perks of being a member of the Models NFT Club. The other thing is, as an investor, once you purchase one of our NFTs, the price, we will automatically raise the price each time someone purchases it. So that would guarantee you as an investor that you're going to make money from your investment. Now with the Models NFT Club, you can check us out at modelsnftclub.com. You can also go there and check out our OpenSeas catalog. By going to the website, you can also see our Twitter channel, our Instagram channel, our Facebook channel, and get more information about it. So go check us out. It's the modelsnftclub.com. Now there's also some special perks as well. One of the NFTs that we minted, you can't purchase, at least not from us. The only way to get this NFT is to buy it from someone who already owns it, or we're actually going to be giving them away as an incentive for helping us to promote the Models NFT Club. So go to our website, sign up for our mailing list and get more information about that. So hey, look forward to seeing you in the club, and I'm really excited about this project, and I think you will be as well. We'll talk to you soon.